I made $1 million, or actually euros, on this store last year in November and December, which are obviously the best months of the year for e-commerce and dropshipping. In this video, I will show you guys exactly what kinds of products I was selling, what my store looked like, and how I ran the ads. And also in this video, I will be sharing with you guys a massive asset that will easily help you get to 10K profit per month with dropshipping. I wanted to show you guys all of this right now so you can apply this to your dropshipping business as well at this moment, as it's Q4 again and you really don't want to miss the boat. As you can see by the currency of this store, we were selling in the European markets. The reason why we chose this market is because it's just so much easier to sell in than the US market or just worldwide in general. And that's because people in the EU are way behind e-commerce trends in comparison to the US. This means that if you're doing something slightly different than most dropshippers, you will have a massive competitive advantage, allowing you to scale to numbers like these. Later in the video, I'll show you guys what my competitive advantage was so you too can completely crush the competition this Q4. In Q4, people will buy almost anything. But if you want to scale to high numbers in a small market, you really need to think hard of what products you will be selling. Now, as you know, during Q4, big advertisers massively pump up their advertising budget. Think of popular brands such as Dyson, Samsung, Coca-Cola, and more. These brands literally shove their ads through everyone's throat so much. It's impossible to compete with them, right? Wrong. What I did is I decided to use the popularity of these brands to market my own products in a legal way, of course. For example, I saw so many ads of Samsung smartwatches all over my feed. So what if I could sell a smartwatch that is as good as a Samsung smartwatch but for a lower price? I present to you the Galaxy smartwatch, not to be confused with the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch, of course. Because everyone was already seeing so many Samsung smartwatch ads all over their social media feeds, you can leverage their marketing completely for free and offer a better and cheaper product with a similar name. Disclaimer though, please be very careful when doing this. Make sure you always check the trademark register before starting to advertise like this. And please don't imply that you are selling a certain brand, but with smart wording, you can still profit off of their marketing, if you do it right. Another example is an all-in-one hairstyler. For those of you who have a girlfriend, you've probably heard of the Dyson Airwrap 1,000 times. It is a very popular all-in-one hairstyler from Dyson, but it's expensive as f***. Dyson always advertises this product like crazy during Q4. And if you can sell a very similar product on Facebook, again with a cheaper price, you will absolutely crush it. There are a bunch of similar looking hairstylers on AliExpress, all for relatively cheap prices. Now, before you try and sell any of these products, it's important that your product pages are built the right way, which is not on Shopify. Another major reason why we were able to scale this high last year is because we were using something that no one else is using right now. I am talking about sales funnels instead of regular old Shopify product pages. Here is the difference between a sales funnel and a Shopify product page. Which one of these looks better, guys? The Shopify product page has one and the same logo and coloring scheme for all the products on the store. While on Funnelish, you can have one single branded logo per product page, as well as have different colors per product. This makes your product page much more customizable, and that means in turn you will have a higher conversion rate, and that means more money. So here's a really good example of a hairstyling product pretty similar to the Dyson one, which is built on the same store as the bra funnel template. As you can see, we created a different logo specifically for this product. The coloring of this funnel is completely different too, to match the color of the product itself. So with a sales funnel like this, you can completely crush the competition in your market because of these two reasons. First of all, you always look like you are the main brand who is selling this product, which of course builds massive amounts of trust. And then second, no one can just copy paste your product pages like they can on Shopify with just 2 clicks. So I urge you to get started with Funnelish funnels as well, and to make it easy for you guys, I dropped this funnel template in the description below so you can get started right now. And if you want a full course on funnels, then buy my $2,000 course right now. No, I'm just kidding. I released a free course recently where I explain my full funnel dropshipping strategy, so please check that one out below. But now that you guys know what kinds of products I sold and what my funnels looked like, let me show you exactly what I did with Facebook and TikTok ads. So as I just said, for this store, we used both Facebook and TikTok ads. Here's what my strategy looks like. For testing my products out, I solely use Facebook ads. I set up a $100 CBO campaign. On the ad set level, we select nothing, no targeting, only specify the country you're selling to. Then for the ads, I just went to Minia and then I searched for my product that I was selling, and then I downloaded the ads with the most all-time likes. Since I was running in the European market, I localized my ads completely, meaning I added subtitles and a text-to-speech voice with the local language of my market, which in this case was Dutch from the Netherlands and Belgium. And then to scale my campaigns, anytime I have a profit margin of more than 15% on a single day, I double the budget of that campaign. I keep doing this until I'm around $800 to $1,000 in daily ad spend for one campaign, and from there I only increase the budgets by 50% if it's doing well. This way you can keep scaling for much longer, because if you were to just keep on doubling the budgets, your campaigns would crash pretty fast. And then again, I also did TikTok ads, which was responsible for about 20% of the total revenue on this store. Any ad that reached more than $2,000 of total ad spend on Facebook ads, I copied straight to TikTok ads. The campaign setup on TikTok is exactly the same, a $100 CBO with absolutely no targeting. We do select ages 18 plus and again the country we are selling to. Now for the ad video itself, obviously TikTok requires a different format. My ads on Facebook are always 1:1, while on TikTok they always have to be 9:16. So to upscale your ads for TikTok format, again very easily done in v.io, I just added blurred bars like this. To scale on TikTok, I applied the exact same rules as on Facebook. More than 15% profit margin on a single day, double the budget. So that wraps up literally everything I did for the ads. Then obviously to increase our profits even more on the backend, I also added SMS and email marketing via Funnelish. And if you want to know exactly how to set this up the right way so you can add 15% of extra free revenue to your store, you should definitely join my Discord community called Ecom Liberty, but please take the gold membership, because that is where I share all of my juicy money making strategies and SOPs. But I really want you guys to take the knowledge from this video and apply it to your own dropshipping stores for this Q4. And again, I don't need your money at all, so for free you can join my course startfunneldropshipping.com and learn my entire strategy. Just sign up now and let's make some money.